Hi boys and girls, welcome to Thursday, January 28th. Well, today we're going to be doing Student Investigation 1C. So you have 3 pages to glue, and you're going to have one where it says Student Investigation Sheet 1C. You'll glue that to 57. Then on page 58 at the top, it should say draw what your completed balloon balance looks like. And then finally on 59, you're going to do the sheet that at the top says C, observe and record. I've taken the liberty to already put this together to kind of speed things up. But anyway, basically what I'm doing is making on page 57 here with the balloons with the balance. I've created that right here. We're having a few problems today because I have a draft and also the air is really dry, so I'm getting static electricity. So you'll notice like the balloons will try to go towards me and stuff. So yeah, but we'll take care of that. All right, so as before, I'm going to let you see this movie here on YouTube, and then when we're all done, I'm going to let you see what my notebook would have looked like, okay? So here we go. So we'll speed this up. So on page 57, I just went ahead and made this balance. Now we're going to move to page 58. It says draw what your completed balloon balance looks like, okay? So you're going to draw a picture of that right now. If you need to, go ahead and pause it. Try to be as accurate as you can on this. The string is hanging from the ceiling. The balloons are about the same. This distance here is about, let's see, about 10 centimeters hanging down here. And then you can see that I've got the balloon suspended. So you're going to draw that picture of what it looks like right now. Sorry, trying to keep it still. Again, pause it if you need to. Next comes the important part, predicting. It says, how will the balance behave when one of the balloons is popped? Write your prediction in the box below and draw a picture that supports it. So you will not only draw a picture or tell me what you think is going to happen, you're also going to draw a picture. Again, you're going to have to probably pause the video and do that right now. Okay, and again, I'm going to show you my notes later. By the way, I want to let you know, predicting, you may or may not know, you should have some kind of a reason or some for your answer, but please don't change your answers. We used to do use the scientific method, and a lot of times the kids would try and change their prediction around, and it's nice when your prediction matches, but a lot of the times it's not going to, and you've done nothing wrong in science when your prediction doesn't match what happens, okay? I mean, if you already knew what was going to happen for sure, why even do the experiment? So the next part, it says put on safety goggles and use a push pin to pop one of the balloons. And I need to make sure where the balloon pieces go if that's an issue, okay? And draw what your balance looks like now. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm wearing goggles, so I'm not going to worry about that. So watch what happens next. Here we go. Okay, here's a piece of the balloon, couple pieces. So to make this fair, I've got to still put this back on my scale like this. Okay? Again, I'm fighting static electricity. Well, were you surprised by this? I mean, you still got the same weight of the 2 balloons, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a picture of this right now, what you think it's going to look like. Or what it does look like, sorry, on page 59 in part C. And then, once you've done that, again, you might need to pause it, and that's fine. It says D, conclude. Was your prediction supported? Explain why or why not. In other words, in your prediction, you're going to tell me what happened. Did that happen or not? If it did, you'd say, yeah, and this is what it looked like. If you didn't, you'd say, no, this isn't what I predicted, but this is what in fact happened. 2, what can you conclude about the volume of the balloon before you pop one of them? What can you tell me about the volume before I pop both of them? Think about mass, okay? Number 3, what can you conclude about air and other gases from your investigation? Okay, you'll have to think about that. What do you conclude? Again, be thinking about mass. That's a little clue. All right? So I'm going to give you a chance to answer all those things, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a screencastify and then let you look at my notebook, okay? So that's it today for your YouTube video. Thanks for tuning in.